Bates method sunning. Why trying to avoid wear sunglasses? The Bates method of eyesight improvement with sunning has been well known since 100 years ago. Our eyes need sun. Sunning is one of the Bates method techniques to get better eye health. It involves exposing closed eyelids to gentle rays of the sun for short periods of time. The idea behind sunning is to allow the eyes to receive natural sunlight that has a positive impact on overall eye health and vision. Precaution: do not look directly at the sun and avoid direct sunlight during peak hours. Sunning must be gentle. Use closed eyelids. Keep your eyes closed while sunning to avoid direct exposure to sunlight. The goal is to let the gentle diffuse sunlight reach your closed eyelids. Now, benefits of sunning for eye health. Gentle sunlight helps to renew retinal cells. Logically, new retinal cells can perceive light better and eyes can see better. This one of the main points for me to avoid sunglasses. Stimulation of melatonin production. Sunlight, especially in the morning, helps regulate the body's internal clock and stimulates the production of melatonin, a hormone that plays a crucial role in sleep-wake cycles. Better sleep quality and regular sleep patterns contribute to overall eye health. Boosting vitamin D levels. Sunlight is a natural source of vitamin D, which is essential for maintaining healthy bones and immune function. Vitamin D can also reduce the risk of macular degeneration and other eye conditions, improve mood, and reduce stress. Sunlight exposure triggers the release of serotonin, often referred as the feel-good hormone. This can lead to improved mood and reduced stress level, which in turn can positively impact eye health. Reduce risk of myopia progression. Studies suggest that spending time outdoors, especially in natural light, may slow down the progression of myopia and nearsightedness. The outdoor environment and natural light exposure contribute to better visual development because it's natural for our eyes to get sunlight. Sun protective glasses are unnatural. Sunlight helps us to renew retinal cells. The Bates method and its techniques of sunning often offer amazing benefits to your eyesight improvement that focuses on natural practices.